Today, we're diving into the DJI Neo2, the latest game changer in drone technology. From cutting-edge features to real-world performance, we've got it all covered. Stick around to see if this drone is worth it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Introduction: DJI Neo2. DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries of drone technology, and the DJI Neo2 is no exception. This latest addition to DJI's lineup promises superior aerial performance, enhanced stability, and cutting-edge AI-driven features. With its sleek design, improved camera capabilities, and extended flight time, the DJI Neo2 aims to be the go-to drone for both professionals and hobbyists. In this review, we will explore its features, performance, and overall value. Design and build quality. The DJI Neo2 boasts a refined and futuristic design, featuring an aerodynamic body that enhances flight efficiency. It is constructed with high-quality carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum, ensuring durability without adding excessive weight. The foldable arms and compact size make it easy to transport, catering to users who need a portable yet powerful drone. The build also integrates an improved cooling system to prevent overheating during extended flights. Camera and imaging capabilities. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the DJI Neo2 delivers stunningly sharp and vibrant images. The HDR video recording enhances dynamic range, capturing details even in challenging lighting conditions. Its AI-powered tracking system ensures precise subject tracking, making it ideal for aerial cinematography. The adjustable aperture, f/2.8, f/11, offers greater control over depth of field, while the 3-axis gimbal stabilization guarantees smooth, shake-free footage. Flight performance and stability. One of the standout aspects of the DJI Neo2 is its exceptional flight stability. With enhanced GPS positioning and multi-directional obstacle avoidance sensors, it ensures safe and reliable flights. The drone features an improved propulsion system, allowing speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. Its intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoints, and Active Track 5.0, make it easy to capture dynamic shots effortlessly. Even in windy conditions, the DJI Neo2 remains remarkably stable thanks to its advanced flight control algorithms. Smart features and connectivity. DJI has integrated several smart features into the Neo2, making it one of the most intuitive drones on the market. The AI-powered autonomous flight modes enable hands-free operation, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The OcuSync 4.0 transmission system ensures a stable connection up to 10 kilometers with low-latency 1080p live streaming. Furthermore, gesture controls, voice commands, and an improved return-to-home function enhance usability. The drone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring seamless updates and real-time data transfer. Conclusion: the DJI Neo2 is a feature-packed drone that sets a high standard in the industry. With its exceptional camera quality, smart AI-driven flight modes, and robust battery life, it stands out as a premium choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. While the price may be on the higher side, the value it offers in terms of performance, safety, and innovation makes it a worthwhile investment. If you're looking for a high-end, reliable, and intelligent drone, the DJI Neo2 is undoubtedly one of the best options available today. That's it for today's deep dive into the DJI Neo2.